Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, I can provide you with a basic tutorial on using the Kalman filter with OpenCV in Python. The Kalman filter is a mathematical algorithm that uses a series of measurements observed over time to estimate unknown variables and predict future states. It is widely used in various fields such as robotics, computer vision, and control systems. In this tutorial, we'll implement a simple example using OpenCV in Python. Before starting, make sure you have OpenCV installed. You can install it using. Let's consider a scenario where we have a moving object, and we want to track its position using the Kalman filter. We'll create a simple example with a 1D motion. This example demonstrates a 1D motion with initial position and velocity. The Kalman filter predicts the next state and corrects it based on the noisy measurements. Initialization: we initialize the Kalman filter with the number of states and measurements. In this case, we have two states, position and velocity, and one measurement, position. State transition matrix, A, describes how the system evolves from one state to the next. Measurement matrix, H, describes how the measurement relates to the state. Process noise covariance, Q, represents the uncertainty in the process model. Measurement noise covariance, R, represents the uncertainty in the measurements.